Wait, let me see what's in here first. Ooh. Awesome. Wait, hold up. Okay. Alrighty. Wait, I'm not even oriented right. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an iPad unboxing. Hey. So I have had the same iPad for about a year now. Yeah, about a good year, and it was the iPad 5th generation, I believe, and it didn't come with an Apple Pencil, and it's not like I needed it, I just felt like an extra, so I wanted to have it. But unfortunately none of the Apple Pencils were compatible with that iPad, so you know, I didn't really worry about it because I wasn't a paperless student. But now that I want to be a paperless student, I want to have an Apple Pencil with my iPad. So I made a trip to the Apple store and I got myself a new iPad. So let's unbox it. I'm excited. But before we do that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my social medias down below. Alright, so I got the iPad 8th generation with Wi-Fi, and it's the 32GB one. So this is how it looks. This one is also in rose gold. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say regarding the packaging. Okay, so let's open it. Woo! Okay, all right. See guys, it was supposed to be an ASMR moment, but I don't know. I don't know. Now we're gonna open it. Ooh, okay. Okay. You know what? I'll just sit it down. Sit it down. It's not even coming out. I'm so scared. I don't want this to drop. Okay, let me just open it. Okay. So, this is how the inside looks. Okay. Alright, so this is supposed to be the best part. Okay. Alright. Should I take it out or like keep it in the box? So, let's take the wrapping off. Okay. Ooh, I like it. I like the color. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna put the iPad aside. Matter of fact, let's on it first. So we're gonna just press on the power button, and it's gonna have the Apple logo on it. So while we're waiting for it to boot up, we're going to check all that it comes with. Oh, not on the iPad. Okay. Okay. Was not expecting that. So, oh snap, this still fell out. Hold on. Okay, let me get myself situated first. Hold on. Okay, so this is what it comes with. First you'll see this paper. I'm sure this is the manual. Designed by Apple in California. So this is the manual that it comes with. Oh, okay. It also comes with the Apple stickers. I didn't even know that. That's it. Now we're gonna put this aside. Okay, so next we have the little block thing. Ooh, okay, this one's different. It's different than the usual thingamajiggy that it comes with. We have the wire thing that it comes with. This one's different. This one's different from the usual charging thing that it comes with, charging port, whatever. See, like I said, I might be a tech channel, but I'm not. I don't have the tech vocabulary for you, okay? But these things, the charging thing, the charger is very different from the previous MacBook. The charging, the chargers are very different from the previous models of the iPad. So yeah. And then there's nothing else here, so that's it for the iPad accessories that it comes with. So now, I don't even know what I want to unbox next. Okay, so I don't know if I want to move on to that pencil or what. Alright, so the iPad is on now, and of course it's going to say hello, the usual, and we are going to set it up. Alright, so we're going to press English, the United States, then set up manually, and then I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network. Okay. Now we're going to continue. Touch ID, I'm going to set that up right quick. Now we're going to create a passcode. So now it says apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPad. I think I'm going to restore from iCloud backup. Alright, just a couple more minutes. Alright, then it says choose backup. So I backed up my last iPad a few days ago. So I'll choose this one. Alright. Continue. Alright, I'm not setting up Apple Pay, so let's just set up my own settings. Not now. Now we're just restoring from iCloud. Alright, so while it's restoring, we're just gonna move on. So next we have the Apple thing. So I was really excited about this one because I'm thinking about being a paperless student, so I know that I'll need this. Let me give you guys a closer look. Alright, so let's continue to open it. First thing you see is designed by Apple in California. Okay, so now we're going to take that out. Wait, let me just see what's in here first. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so it comes with the manuals, of course. Alrighty, the manuals. Okay, so I know that this goes on top of the Apple Pencil where you write, but this, I'm just not sure. But anyway, let's move on. Then you're gonna see this. So this is the Apple Pencil, the beauty. Come on now, get into it. This is how it looks. I feel like you guys deserve to like see how it really looks. So this is how it looks. And then it has like an Apple Pencil engraving. So we're gonna take this off right now. Ooh. So I see a lot of people on YouTube, they have a cushion so that they can have a nice grip, you know, when they're writing with their Apple Pencil. So that's exactly what I got as well. So I have a pink one. Oh, and also this is the first generation. They also have a second generation, but I have the first one. Alright, so this is what I got. I'm not even sure what this is. Okay, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is. But we're gonna move on. Alright. So here it is. This is like a pinkish kind of color. I don't see the exact name. yeah, I don't know, but yeah, this is how it looks. All right, so let's get this on here. Oh man. Hold on, because I really want y'all to see this beauty. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, so it also comes with a blue cap on it, but before I put on that, I want to show you guys something. So for the first generation Apple Pencil, you have to charge it into the iPad, and this is the cap I'm just going to put on, and then I'm going to put on this blue cap. Alright, so this is how it looks. So I also have some caps with the tip of the Apple Pencil, so we're just gonna put it on there. And I think this is just to protect it from like really like scratching on your screen, and it doesn't like, how do I put it, it doesn't make sounds like when you write it on your screen. So that's the best part about it. And I know because my sister has the Apple Pencil and it doesn't do that, so yeah. So this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. It also comes with a screen protector, a built-in screen protector. So let's take this off. Wait, hold up now. Okay. Also, wait, hold up. Okay. Now we're just gonna try to put this on. Oh my gosh. Hold on. It's proving difficult, bro. Okay, I got it on, guys. This is the outside. This is the, all right. Focus. All right, so this is the exterior of the iPad case. And then this is the interior. Alrighty, so what?
Alright, so it says only draw with Apple Pencil. When enabled, only Apple Pencil will draw. Your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. Dang, I don't know. It's not even giving what I said it was supposed to give.
Hold on. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to plug it in. Nothing's happening. Okay. So it says Bluetooth pairing request. Alright, so it says Bluetooth pairing request. Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. So I'm gonna tap pair and it's connected. Okay, so it says this.
Alright, so it says welcome to Apple Pencil. So now I can scribble, create an instant note, and easily capture screenshots. So I guess I can take it out now. I'm not sure. Alright. Okay, so it says try writing a few words here. Hello. Done. Oh my gosh, it works. So yeah, it works now. It's now connected, so I'm super excited.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow my social medias down below. Bye, loves.